Grant Sabatier teaches us about the 7-step process of gaining financial freedom by making more money in less time. So if you want to learn the art of making more money in less time, then this book is only for you. Today we are going to talk about Financial Freedom, which is written by Grant Sabatier. In this book, the author teaches us about the 7-step process of gaining financial freedom by making more money in less time, so that you can make more money in less time. How did I earn $2 to $1 million in 5 years? Here, the author shows us how he followed these 7 steps and made a net worth of $2 to $1 million in 5 years. Step 1. What is your number? Find out how much money you need to be financially free. Step 2. Calculate where you are today. To calculate this, you can calculate your net worth. Step 3. Keep updating your thinking about money consistently. Step 4. Plan to make maximum savings and investment to make more budget. Step 5. Try to get out of 9 to 5 and plan for it. Step 6. Start a profitable side business and diversify your income sources. Most people don't do this. In fact, they invest their side time in doing a job for someone else, or ruin it. Step 7. Start an investment as soon as possible and do as much as possible, because when you invest money, your money will make more money, and at one time you can earn money freely through your investment without trading your time. Time is more valuable than money. You should retire early, and how can you retire early? In this chapter, the author says that money is unlimited and time is limited, so don't waste your time. The author says that an average person has only 2, 5, 0, 0, 0 days in their adult life, and this is the purpose of this book, that the author can help us retire as soon as possible so that we can enjoy our youth. Here, retirement does not mean that you will never have to work, but it means that you will never have to work for money. For this purpose, the author advises us to take advantage of the opportunities of the new information world rather than the traditional ways of retirement. Because there are 3 problems in the traditional retirement plan. The first is that it does not work for everyone. The second is that almost the entire adult life is spent in traditional retirement planning. Then somewhere you retire at the age of 60 to 65. The third is that you cannot retire early and become rich. So instead of this, the author advises us to adopt the methods that work in the updated information world, which people are using to become financially free in high school or at the age of 20 to 25. So those methods are something like this. First of all, we should start side business along with the job. Secondly, we should start investing as soon as possible. And lastly, we should start saving for a house. Whether it is in real estate, share market, or anywhere, we should ultimately start investing. What is your number? It may be less than what you think. When the destination is clear, only then the way to reach there can be found. And here, the destination means your financial freedom. Many people think that a lot of money is needed to be financially free, but in reality, the truth is that to be financially free, we need less money than we think, in which, if we work consistently, we can easily achieve. In this chapter, the author teaches us such parameters, with the help of which we can take time to make money requirement planning for our financial freedom. So for this, the first parameter is to decide the necessary money for your living life, i.e., survival life. Secondly, to plan the necessary money to live your comfortable lifestyle. Thirdly, how much money do you want to earn monthly when you retire without working? You have just said, clear your finance, which means, in terms of money and in terms of financial habits, decide at what level you are financially and find out about it with clarity. First of all, find out how much is your monthly active and passive income. Secondly, find out your net worth. To find out the net worth, if you minus all your liabilities from all your assets, you will reach the final net worth calculation. Thirdly, find out your financial habits. In this, first of all, you find out what you feel about money. How long do you complete it after taking a financial decision once? It does not happen that after taking a financial decision you do not complete it. And what is your thought process about earning, saving, money-making, business and investment? Find out about all these and try to adopt rich habits in your life as soon as possible. Fourthly, find out your professional status. Where are you now? Meaning, are you doing a job or a startup business or a big business? Find out about it, and in the next 2, 3 or 5 years, how will you reach the professional level and how will you benefit people and increase your business? Find out about it. Fifthly, how much saving and investment do you do? And to be financially free on your decided date, how much saving and investment requirement do you have? Find out about it. Sixthly, financial freedom advice. Find out who you are taking financial advice from right now. Your friends, relatives and family members who are struggling financially, or those who are financially stable in their lives. And decide who you need to take financial advice from to be financially free. How to create the next level of wealth quickly. There are many ways to invest money, but it depends on all 3 principles. 1. How much money do you earn? Calculate your hourly and hourly earnings and plan accordingly how much money you want to earn and how much money you need to earn every hour for it. 2. Optimize your 9-to-5 job. This means that you look at your job, how much you are earning, and how much time you are giving. Always remember, because time is limited, you can only earn limited money on the job. And so if you want to earn more money, it is very important to start a one-side business along with the job. 3. Start your side business. To diversify your income sources, that is, to earn from different places, start a one-side business along with the job. 4. Turn your side business into passive income. 6. For this, you keep increasing your side business side by side and hire people to do your business so that they also get employment, and by running your business without you, you also earn passive income along with the job. 5. Invest as soon and as much as possible. Add payment and safeguards as you objectively can. Invest in financial education, investment education and share market, real estate and all the ways of investment you have learned, so that before your decided date you can be financially free by earning passive income from the money you have invested. Is it worth it? 11 ways to think about money before buying anything. The quote of this chapter is, "To save money, to earn money." Here we are going to discuss such questions that if you ask yourself before buying anything, it will help you decide whether it is beneficial for you to buy that thing or not. So the first question in this series is, how much will this purchase make me happy? The second question is, how much money will I have to spend to buy this thing? The third question is, how many hours of my life am I going to trade to do this? This means, how many hours do I need to work to afford this? Fourth, can I afford this? Fifth, how much more or less is the price of this product compared to the rest of the product? Sixth, can I buy it for less money somehow? Seventh, how much convenience will be needed for this? Eighth, how much will it cost me to maintain this product every year? Ninth, how much is the product going to be for me in the future? 11th question, and this is the most important question in this question list, and that question is, how much time will this product give me in the future? This means, how much time will it save me? So, in this way, these questions can help you a lot to buy beneficial and worthy things for you. A budget that you will need, how to increase your saving rate by 25% by keeping it free. Here we will not talk about the budget. Budget means you make a budget to save money by reducing your small expenses. But in this, we will talk about how you can save your household, transport expenses like your big expenses. So let's discuss the ideas of saving money one by one. To save household expenses, it is possible that you are living in a small apartment before being financially free, or sharing your room with a classmate or your neighbor. Some people are such that they want someone to take care of their house, and in return they will use a room to live, so you can get such a house and live there for free. To reduce the cost of living, you can rent an apartment of 2 or 3 bedrooms and live in only one. of them. The other 2 you can rent to someone else. With the incoming money, you can rent it and live in a way for free and maybe earn a little more. Similarly, for the transportation budget, until you are financially free, you can travel by public transport or any cheap transport. Or you can come to your office and needy place with a friend. Similarly, by using these tips, you can save more money by reducing your housing and transportation expenses. Optimize your 9-to-5 job. Turn your full-time job into a launching pad for financial freedom. If you want to earn more money and quickly hit your financially free number, it is very important for you to optimize your job. In this, your short-term strategy should be to improve your skill set and maximize the benefits of salary, incentives, and job. Your long-term strategy should be to improve your information skills and make your company successful by bringing people's skills, information, and talent together. Here are some ways, by using this, which you can maximize the benefits of your salary, incentives, and job. First, let's discuss about maximizing the benefits of a job. To maximize your job benefits, you can meet your company's HR and talk about providing more benefits than them. You should get insurance policies from the company. If you are unhappy with any benefit of your job, then try to negotiate to get the benefit you want. You can use these tips to optimize your salary by improving your skills, earning more incentives, working on a percentage basis instead of salary with the company, working in a company that offers more salary for work. So by using these tips, you can maximize your job salary and benefits. And always remember that skills and network will help you in both short-term and long-term success. So focus more on improving your skills and network. How to earn more money. A profitable side hustle in a short time. As we all know, side hustling means doing some work in your remaining time apart from work in your life. To diversify your income, to learn something new and to try, it can be very beneficial to start a side business with minimum risk. An oldest startup is simply waiting for your work to start, just as it would be waiting for your car. You can do a side hustle in 2 ways, by working for someone else or by working for yourself. If you work for yourself, then you will learn a lot and you will feel very happy. But if you work for someone else, then you will only get a payment, as in a job. In this case, due to lack of time to work for business and investment, it may be difficult for you to be financially free. So, in side hustle, you should give priority to doing business first. To do side business or side work, you can take these steps and make a good decision very easily. First of all, find your passion and to benefit people for it. To develop your skills, start some work together. Second, after starting work, convert it into a money-earning platform. And for this, you can take the help of these tips so that you can demand from a good payment market. First of all, to give good service and benefits to your customers from competitors. Improve your skills. Then, charge a little less than what competitors are charging. Through quality work, create your own value and reputation in the market. Learn about business building and continue to scale up your business step by step. 7 steps to invest fast, to make money fast. These 7 strategies are based on these 5 concepts which can directly affect you. Therefore, they should be read and used as required. 1. Minimize your risk. 2. Minimize your fees. 3. Minimize your contribution tax. 4. Maximize your returns. 5. Minimize your withdrawal taxes. And always remember, do not invest in what you do not understand. Let's discuss the 7 strategies one by one. See Mexico times 14. The first step is to separate your short-term and long-term investment. That is, keep the money you want to earn from short-term investment separate and plan the investment you want to earn in the long term in a different way. Find out how much you have to invest. As we all know, the more savings we make, the more we invest. And the more we invest, the more we can achieve our goal of financial freedom. So make a plan for how much money you are going to save and invest in a row. The next morning, bring a notepad handy alive and a sheet. Decide the target asset allocation. That is, how much % of your investment income you are going to invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, business, etc. Plan it. Evaluate your investment. That is, to invest in different sectors. Try to evaluate the fees properly so that you have to pay the minimum fees. Choose the right investment and protect your capital from unexpected risks. Keep two things in mind while investing. First, your money should be secure, and second, there is a higher chance of increasing your money to your target date than you want. Maximize your tax-advantaged account. Taxes can be a big part of your future investment earnings, so it is necessary to plan to minimize your tax from the beginning. To do this, you can open a tax-free contribution investment account in which you do not have to pay tax during the investment. Invest in a taxable account. After tax advantage account settlement, try to minimize your tax and make the maximum investment from your tax advantage account. How to convert $10,000 to lakhs in real estate investing. Real estate investing is a great way to diversify your earning portfolio, and real estate is very safe and profitable compared to other savings like stocks, share market, or bonds. There are 3 ways to invest in real estate. You can buy and sell the property and earn money. You can buy a property at a low price, convert it into a better home, sell it for more money, and earn money. You can buy a property and keep it for the long term, and later when the price increases, you can sell it and earn money. These 9 tips will help you find a profitable property. 1. Develop a real estate investment criteria and follow it. 2. Set a budget and take a pre-approved home loan. 3. Look for properties with maximum rent and positive cash flow. 4. Look for a realtor or property agency who will work hard to maintain your property. 5. As soon as you see a profitable property, buy it as soon as you get a chance. 6. Keep looking for properties for sale at a low price. 7. Keep looking at the properties around you. 8. Look for an experienced property home manager. 9. When needed, be ready for property sales. How to stay away from investing for the rest of your life. If you want to retire early, you should develop the right investment withdrawal strategy, in which, even if you don't work, your money will increase rapidly. After retirement, follow these tips to save tax and earn continuously. Stay away from your investment as much as possible and always build it passively. Try your best for tax savings. Withdraw money from the maximum tax advantage account. You can also use the advantage withdrawal strategy. And finally, if you are planning to retire early, then after retirement, set a clear focus on what you want to do after retirement. For example, you want to work on a specific passionate project, like traveling the world or something like that. And after retirement, first of all, do your passionate work for a few months or years, so that you can feel retirement soon, which only a few % of the world gets, because freedom is unlimited, and when you play it, you also become limitless. Before ending this, let's review the short learning of all the chapters point to point so that it is easy to remember and implement them. In the first chapter, we learned about the financial target setting. According to the second chapter, you should make your early retirement plan as soon as possible. According to the third chapter, you should write an accurate money number. How much money do you need to be financially free? According to the fourth chapter, you should have a clear knowledge of your financial status. How much income do you have now? How much savings do you have? How much investment are you making? And how much expense? In Chapter 5, the author says that we should start a one-sided hustle along with the job. According to Chapter 6, before buying anything, you should ask yourself 11 financial questions. According to Chapter 7, you should reduce your expenses. According to Chapter 8, you should maximize your current job salary and benefits. According to Chapter 9, you should start your side business. According to Chapter 10, we should walk on the fast financial track. In Chapter 11, we learned that we should invest in real estate. According to Chapter 12, we should plan to get out of retirement as soon as possible. Friends, how did you like this book, and which book would you like to hear? Do let us know in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe, and please tell us what you think. You can comment on the dialog box at the bottom of the page. The blog post for this episode is at the bottom of the page too.